everyone, so I got some magnetic lashes from a company called Glamnetic, and I'm basically going to show you today how easy these are to apply. These are in the style VIP. Look how cute the packaging is. And I'm going to use these to demonstrate how to apply them. So first you want to take the Glamnetic magnetic eyeliner. I usually apply 1 to 2 coats because that's really all that it takes. Okay, and once you have the eyeliner on, you're just gonna let it dry, and then you're gonna take your lashes. So then you just take the lash and pop them right on, and it sticks right to the eyeliner. And it's literally that easy. So these are in the style VIP, but Glamnetic has all different styles that you can choose from. And I really love these lashes because you can wear them over 40 times, they stay on all day, and they're super easy to apply. So definitely go check them out, and be sure to use my code ULTRAVIOLENTMAKEUP for 15% off your entire purchase.